Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diksha and I'm here unboxing my iPhone 11 Pro Max. You must have seen that from the title. So I'm sorry to be missing from YouTube since a really long time, but yeah, I was just trying to figure out a few things. I was focusing on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll be leaving a link right here. Just go to the link and follow me. So today I just received my iPhone 11 Max Pro. That's a huge word, and I thought of unboxing it in front of you guys. I put up a story on Instagram, and you guys said that you want to see me unbox it. So I've been waiting. I'm very excited. So to start with, I wanted to tell you which iPhone I went for. I went for the gold one, or this is actually not gold, it has like a rose gold hint to it. This is a 512 GB one. So before this, I was using the iPhone 10, which is slightly smaller. Now, the reason why I wanted to upgrade, I've used this for a year and a half or maybe 2 years, and I was pleasantly happy with it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I wanted to upgrade because I wanted a bigger screen. I've actually stopped using my MacBook Air for editing. I just edit on my phone. I use like various apps, video apps to edit, and then I just found that it's better to have like a bigger screen to be able to, edit and split the video and blah blah blah. So for all those technical reasons, I wanted to upgrade to a better phone, and I thought, like, what better than the iPhone 11 Max. No, iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, now without wasting any more time, let's just get into the unboxing. I've been waiting for this for so long. I just have to like tame myself for some time and get through this. Also, I forgot to mention, if you're new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe to it. The subscribe button is right here. Also, there's a bell notification, so just press on the bell notification and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And those of you who've already done this and who've stuck along, thank you so much, and for being patient and for loving me so much. And yeah, now without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So this is the packaging, and now I'm just going to remove. Whoa. Looks so pretty. This looks so pretty. Catch the glare on it. Wow. Wow, this feels so good. Like, it has like a single glass at the back, but it has a matte finish. I don't know if you can make out on the screen. It feels very nice and very rich. I mean, it feels very soft, and the material is wow. So from the front, it's the same thing. It's like the same thing but bigger. So I really like the back. I really like the back of it. And now I'm just gonna keep this aside and show you what else is there inside. So inside this, you get like the fast charger. This is thank god iPhone has a fast charger. And yes, the reason why I picked this up is I went through the reviews, and the battery life of this phone is really nice, and it's up to like 12 hours. We still have to test it, and I'll be really happy if it stands by that promise, because the iPhone 10 literally had no battery life. I couldn't work on it for more than like an hour. It would just die on me. So and the fast charging, yeah, I would have to plug the iPhone for a very long time for it to, sorry for that, I would have to plug the iPhone for a very long time for it to get charged. But this, maybe it's gonna help me. Then we have our normal headphones. I was just wanting if they started giving AirPods with it, but they wouldn't. This is the fast charging cable, and yeah, this is what is inside the box. Okay, so now that I've seen the feel of it, the look of it, I'm gonna switch it on. I can't tell you how excited I was. I received this yesterday and I was waiting to shoot this video so that I can like unwrap it and remove the cover. Hello! Hi! So it's just gonna welcome me. The basic stuff that happens in a phone. So I'm damn excited about the camera. I've heard so much about the camera. I'm already using a OnePlus 7 Pro for filming this video. I especially bought it for all the images and whatever images that you see on my Instagram. Almost everything has been clicked on this phone. So I really want this to be better than that. Let's hope for the best. Right now I'm just liking the feel of it. It has a very nice feel. Like I'm liking it better than the glass back. Like just the one thing that I feel is I had more grip, like more grip, and here I feel that it's just gonna slip out. So I think I've never used my phone without the covers. I will be putting a cover on this, but for now the feel is so damn good. Ah, loving it. So yeah, guys, this is gonna take time to set up. This is what the phone looks like. The unboxing is done. I'll just set it up and start using it. Maybe after some time I can tell you how good it is. Right now I'm just fascinated by the look of it and how it feels in my hands. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Also, there is an update. I want to sell my iPhone 10. This is a 256 GB one. It's almost new. You can see like I have no scratches anywhere. It's brand new. I really maintain my gadgets a lot, so it's really well maintained. I want to sell it. So if you're interested in buying, then do leave your comments or message me on Instagram, like a direct message on Instagram. You can also message me here on YouTube. There is an option to personally message somebody. I want to sell this because I've already bought that and I don't know what to do with this piece. So if you are somebody who wants this, or you know of somebody who wants to buy something like this, or you know of somebody who wants an iPhone X, then please do connect with me and I will be sharing the images with you and all the other details. So yeah, for now, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Till the next time, I love you. Bye.